Hi YouTube, my name is Liz and I'm going to start making videos about me and my boyfriend trying for baby number 1. We have decided that in the new year we are going to start with TTCing. The reason why we are waiting a couple more months is because right now I'm still in school. I will be graduating at the end of this semester. We just think it's smarter that I actually am finished with school. Right now I'm taking those extra few months to get ready for a pregnancy. So I'm taking my vitamins, I'm making changes in my diet, we are making financial decisions that will help us out. So pretty much all of those things I will talk to you about in another video. Right now I will update you guys on how we came to the decision of TTCing. It all started in, I think it was July. I was still on birth control. When I came to the end of my strip, I actually decided that I was going to for a period. I didn't start a new strip, which I usually do because I get my period, I get terrible migraines. And I decided with my GP that it would be better if I took a couple strips before I had a period. So, but right now I thought, you know what, I already had 2 strips, so I decided to go for my period, and pretty much nothing came. I took my last pill on Sundays, and usually I get my period on Wednesday, and I didn't even get a cramp up till Wednesday. I got really bad cramps on Thursday, and I didn't get any bleeding whatsoever on Friday. So I took a pregnancy test on Saturday, which was even more confusing because the test was done correctly, because you could see the little test line. But next to that was also very, very faint little line, like almost like a positive line, but also not really. And I only bought one test, so you really couldn't like redo the test. So I just figured that if I didn't had a period on Sundays, that I would go to my GP on Monday to get my blood tested. And you'll never guess, but on Monday morning, before I called my GP, I had my period. I still went to my GP anyway, just to get confirmed that this was nothing to be worried about, as I get migraine attacks on my period. So I asked whether it was optional to get on a different birth control, and he said because I've been on birth control for that long, I have to quit this birth control and just let my body do its own thing, and then get on a different birth control. So me and my boyfriend at home discussed this, like what they were going to do, because I really, really didn't want to go through another migraine attack. And we decided that it was okay if I stopped with my birth control, and you would just use condoms and just be a little bit more safe. And somehow we already got up to the conversation, because of the pregnancy scare, that we might not want to wait till I'm 25, what was originally the plan, but we were going to make me get off the pill correctly. Like, it usually takes about a year, and then we'll see from that point on. Like, then I would be almost 22, because this happened in July this year. And I got my own period 20 days after my last conceptive period, if you have to call it, after my last conceptive period. So I thought, oh wow, I'm really regular right now. And I wasn't, because my next cycle took 31 days, and my cycle onto that lasted 35 days, and currently we're on cycle 37, so yeah, still no period for now. But in the meantime, we start talking a little bit more about pregnancy and babies, and actually got quite excited about it. So we decided that we aren't going to wait until I'm off birth control for a year, and we are going to take New Year's Day as the start of a new life, and that will be a life as a family. And well, we really think that starting on New Year's Day is always the start of a new beginning. So, and we look at this as a new beginning. It's like a different way of life. So that's why we haven't really told anyone yet. So yeah, that's up to here. I will make an update on what I'm doing in the meantime, those months before we are starting to TTC. Because there's a couple things that we need to do, and I will update you guys on those. And I'll be updated on the things I do to get myself in the best shape and in the best position of getting pregnant. And also because I really want to document this journey of our life, because I really think that making videos is a good way to do so, because it really allows you to look back on the things that happened. And this way is also a good way to just share with other people and to get advice and to get like tips and stuff like that. So yeah, I really hope that that is something that will happen from all of this. And that will be all. So if you have questions or you know channels that I might be interested in, please comment below. And if you want to keep updated on my videos, please subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.